and welcome to Light of Aurora. I am Aurora. So today we will be doing some powder gel nails. If you don't know what my channel is about, I do nails as a beginner from the beginning. If you're interested in learning how to do your nails from the beginning like I am, please watch this video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you ahead of time. Okay, so these are literally everything that I will be using. I will be using powder gel like I said in the beginning, and I will spreading everything up today. In my dipping dish is obviously slip solution. Instead of scooping the slip solution, instead of scooping the powder gel out with the brush, I will definitely be using the dew foam. Dang, yes. It makes everything easier. Just scoop everything out with your dew foam, even if it's polygel. Anyway, move it around, spread it around, make sure it's the length you want it to be, and make sure that the side walls is covered. Okay, so we're just checking to see if everything is clear. If did you notice today I have a black background to see things better with my white. Your eyes don't know where to focus, or how do I explain it? You can't see properly, and here you can perfectly see where I move my powder gel around. With the white VG I couldn't see where I actually moved my powder gel around. Powder gel, polygel, whatever. When everything is the way you want it, filled up and to the length you want it, you place it on your nails. And this is me just double checking if everything is fine beneath it, under the nail. Let's do the rest! Smearing where I need to smear, not smear. Fixing where I need to fix. Make sure everything is straight and cure over and over and over again. This is my favorite part. I love popping in the dew foam off. Oh, it just feels awesome, and the sound it makes. The sound is not on here, but the sound it makes. Oh, and there is a little open. My dew foam moved. That sucks. Let's pop everything off. Pop everything off. Yay! I don't know what happened with my pointer finger. Anyway, so I will be filling up the parts that open by my nail with the powder gel. And this time I have to scoop it with a brush. Pushing where it needs to be pushed, flattening where it needs to be flattened. Flatten it? Words! Anyway, I didn't want to waste any powder gel because I'm broke. So I put back when I don't use. Or I just move it to another finger that actually needs the powder gel that I didn't fill it properly. Does that make sense? That doesn't make sense. Anyway, let's cut. Okay, let's file then. So I'm trying to get the shape that I want, and the shape that I want is like a coffin shape. Yeah. Oh, is it short coffin? It's a coffin shape. That's all I know. And I shaped all my other nails. Then I decided I wanted to go blue today because I had it. And you can see it's thin. I definitely need 2 coats of this. Not powder gel. Dang, what's powder gel in my head? I need 2 coats of gel polish. Looks so sheer, it looks pretty. The 2 nails that are open, I actually had plans for it, but it's just a mess. Also, wipe your powder gel polish with some non-acetone wipe. Oh yes, this is the struggle. So I had glitter. This is me trying ombre with glitter, but I don't think you can actually see that I'm trying ombre because I just glitter pieces in gel polish. Just move it around till it is at the place that I want it to be. And I didn't want a lot. And I obviously did the rest of my fingers. Oh no, it's time to sing struggle. So the first idea was, let's just swoop from one side to one side with my blue that I used on my other nails. But I didn't like it because you can see my actual nail and it doesn't look pretty. Oh, I really did not like this, and I don't like where you can see my actual finger. Yeah, the tip of my nails, my original nails, natural nails. I don't like when you can see that. So I decided to just wipe that off. So plan B, always a try B. Decided to go glitter, full nail on glitter. It does look pretty, but I just didn't like this as well. It really does look pretty, but I really didn't like it. So I decided, let's just put blue on everything. So I blued up my nails. The black background makes actually you can see my hands better with the black background. Am I saying background right? Anyway, so I decided just to use the glitter to make a swoop to the side and obviously color that in. And I did that to my other finger as well. Can't see it on camera now that I think about it. Actually see it. Me trying to move the glitter where I want it to be. I'm gonna use my special tool to remove The gel polish that should not be there, just to make everything straight. Actually, straight enough for me. It looks a little wonky, but okay. Next, me, myself, and I actually tried to make a flower, and it went good-ish. It didn't go as well as I planned it to go, but I think everybody knows that I can't draw anything, not even a flower with a dot. Oh my gosh, I can't do that. This was supposed to be like pretty, pretty flower. And you literally just make a dot and swoop it. And QR this. That looks pretty. Now that I'm seeing it. Okay, so I think here's where I messed up. So I just added more dots and made petals, and swoop those as well. Looks like a square in a way, so this is what it looks like. And it missed something. So I had a teeny bitty, litty bitty, itty bitty, some sparkly gem circular. And I decided, okay, since I have this, I'm just gonna put it in the center of my flower. So I used my powder gel as the glue. Yo, it took just forever just to say glue. Wow. In the center of my flower. Then you just place the stone there. And cure. Anyway, these are my nails. Finished, and when you're done with everything, you top coat everything. I went over the stone, by the way, with my top coat. Oh, it's bright. I'm sorry. Ta-da! My nails! Thank you for watching.